Hi, my name's Jafari Williams, and this is my job presentation. Computer network architects are the backbone of every company. They help develop the systems and servers so you could use the local network, you can be on a network at home, you can connect in a different part of the building. They are the ones that help create the servers and networks to be able to be accessed through your everyday lives. Without them, you would not be able to get into the internet. This job requires a bachelor's degree or Network Plus or Server Plus, and at least almost maybe 7 to 10 years of experience to be able to have this position. But before this, you would probably become an admin, but this job requires a lot of experience. The base pay would be at least maybe in the six figures, around 110 to 130, varying in regions. I've even seen some people who can jump straight from college into this position, but you will be probably starting at the lowest $80,000 to $70,000. And you would be an architect, but it would be in training. So this would be a job specifically for once you've done an admin position and you have a few years under your belt, you could be making six figures within 5 to 6 years. Top range I've even seen 170,000. And here's admin. Admins basically are the ones that maintain the servers once the architects are finished building them. Admins help maintain the lands. So when a person, like an example, somebody's working on a computer and whole floor just goes away, it's your job to repair that and make sure it gets back online, or even transfer the data, have another system that's running that's backup, transfer that one on. This job requires that you have certifications in Server Plus and Network Plus, and maybe even your bachelor's. But as long as you have something that shows that you have experience, that's what they want to see. This job will be a starting job, so it will vary from maybe beginning at 50,000 to at least maybe 70,000. I've seen at the median. Some people are even able in some certain regions to make six figures in this position. It varies from what they want you to do at every company, so they'll pay you differently. But the most I've seen for some people is like $85,000 to $90,000. It can be sometimes be the cap, but that, like I said, varies from company to company. Information security analysis is basically once the admins maintain the servers, you would be the one that helps securely keep the data locked away from criminals. You would protect everybody from being phished, everything from hackers trying to steal data from a company, helping make sure a restaurant keeps their information locked down from outside people who try to steal it. It would be your job to make sure their data stays safe from RS and with RSA encrypting, everything from that to even other ways. This job is very important, so you can get paid greatly. You can go. I've seen some positions for median $120,000. It requires you to have your security plus, hopefully even your bachelor's. But even then, you can just jump right out the gate from college, and you can start making almost six figures, or at least maybe $80,000 to $90,000 if you have some experience. But if you have a great amount of experience and skill, you can make six figures easily within a few years. Computer and Information Systems Manager. This job keeps everything organized. They are the ones that organize the security guys, server guys, the network architects, coders. They keep everything in check. They check with each group. They check with the leaders of each group, and they meet with everybody. Their job is to keep everything in coordination and good symmetry with the IT community inside that company or building. This job requires you to have a bachelor's and master's degree and at least have some experience in IT before you can be able to do this. This job I've seen where you can make almost $140,000 for the amount of work you probably would have to do. It would be great, but you have to have the experience in the field too before you could probably even do that. I've seen this firsthand. Many people don't want to, I should say, respect some people when you've had less experience in it than one other person and they think they know everything. So the guarantee would be having the degree and the years of experience for this position. And the web developer is a very important group. They help as well with scripting and coding for websites for the company. They help with security guys. They help them figure out certain codes. Hackers, they can help prevent hackers. Web developers can also I should say, how should I say this? background add-ons, so they can prevent things from happening for like the website being hacked. They can help delete that with the server guys or the security guys, so they can prevent that through their jobs. Web developers can be switched upon greatly. That's a job. This is a great position if you wanted to start out in coding and get your feet wet. This is the perfect position just to start having multiple jobs, or you can even be freelance. I've seen people make almost 6 figures just on their own, making their own apps or websites for people. The median would be 61,000. If you're not knowing what you're really doing yet, you still can make a lot of money in this position. This job is very amicable for people who have high ambition and want to make a lot of money really fast. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.